In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a restricted user in the Google Admin Console. If you're managing user accounts in Google Workspace, there may be times when a user becomes restricted and you need to restore access. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path to find that user and reactivate the account so you can access the user dashboard again. This process is simple, but it's important to follow each screen carefully so you make changes to the correct account. To begin, sign in to the Google Admin Console with an administrator account that has permission to manage users. Once you're inside the admin area, go to the directory section and then select users. This is where all user accounts in your organization are listed, and it's the main place you'll use to review account status and make account level changes. When you're on the users page, take a moment to locate the restricted user account you need to access. If your organization has a large number of users, it may help to use the search bar or browse through the list carefully. The goal here is to make sure you select the correct account before making any changes, especially if there are similar usernames or multiple accounts with related roles. After you found the right user, open that user's management profile page from the directory. This page gives you a more detailed view of the account and includes the available administrative actions for that user. It's a good idea to quickly verify that you're viewing the intended profile before continuing, since the next action will update the user's access status. On the user's profile page, look over to the panel on the right-hand side and click the Reactivate User Action link. This option is what allows you to restore the account from its restricted state. Depending on your interface, the action may appear alongside other account management options, so read the label carefully and make sure you choose Reactivate User. Once you click it, Google will ask you to confirm the reactivation command. Go ahead and confirm the action to unlock the user account dashboard. After the change is processed, the account should be active again, and you'll be able to continue managing it normally from the admin console. That's all it takes to reactivate a restricted user account in Google Admin Console. Just follow the path from